Welcome to Xpertifi newsletter. We will be discussing current banking news to keep you updated and informed. Let's dive into the news from last week. Personal loans sees 14.4% growth. By the end of July, credit card debt in India grew the fastest among all major loan categories, rising by 22% to nearly rupees 2.8 lakh crore. Loans taken against gold jewelry also saw rapid growth, increasing by 39% among personal loans. Personal loans now account for the biggest portion of non-food credit, making up 32.9%, followed by loans to services, industry and agriculture. Overall, personal loans increased by 14.4%, reaching rupees 55.3 lakh crores. Banks create list of 3,000 entities involved in fraudulent practices. Banks have created a list of around 3,000 people and companies involved in frauds. The list includes lawyers, builders and gold loan appraisers who have been involved in securing loans through illegal methods. This list will be updated in real time to help prevent further fraud. In a recent meeting with Advisory Board for Banking and Financial Frauds, ABBFF, it was decided that banks must check this list before dealing with these entities and update it regularly. The list is expected to grow as banks follow new RBI guidelines on fraud classification introduced on July 15th. RBI imposed penalties on housing and urban development corporations. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has fined 3 companies including Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited (HUDCO) for not following certain rules related to housing finance. HUDCO has been fined rupees 3.5 lakhs, while Godrej Housing and Aadhar Housing Finance have each been fined rupees 5 lakhs. The RBI clarified that these penalties are due to failures in complying with regulations, but they do not question the legality of any deals or agreements made by these companies. Education loans to remain among the fastest growing segment for NBFCs. Education loans, especially for studying abroad, are expected to grow quickly for non-banking financial companies (NBFCs) due to increased demand for higher education. The total value of these loans, called Assets Under Management (AUM), is projected to increase by 40 to 45% and exceed rupees 60,000 crores this year. After strong growth in previous years, NBFC's educational loan AUM reached rupees 43,000 crores by the end of March 2024. It is expected that the quality of these loans will remain stable despite concerns in certain countries. Before we say goodbye for now, let's see how the various indices performed last week. Xpertifi has launched a banking course that guarantees 2 interviews with banks and NBFCs within 1 month of completing the course. So make sure to register yourself and inform your friends and family as well. Follow Xpertifi for banking, jobs and news on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and LinkedIn. See you next week with more news. Till then, take care.